What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got 2007 Ford Edge. At least I think it's an Edge. It might be an Escape. Pretty sure it's an Edge. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to take this one out and put the new one in. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&A, speaker installs, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. This one right here is actually fairly easy. I'm gonna take my panel removal. I'm gonna come right here in between, and I'm gonna pop that. It's gonna leave this little edge for me to grab with my fingers. Boom, I'm gonna pop that up. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come up here to the top because I seen that it just released a little bit. And I'm gonna put my hand right here, pull a little bit forward, and then boom, it just dropped that whole boy just like that. I'm gonna disconnect that harness because we work on speed and efficiency around here, and it actually makes no sense for me to take that out. I'm gonna take these 4.7 mils and I'm gonna take these out, and then guess what? We'll have that radio. All right, y'all, 4.7 mils later, we grabs the radio, we slides it to the front, and we undo one harness, we undo two harnesses, we undo three harnesses. We take this antenna out. Bitch. All right, so as you can see, we got that radio out. So now let's get over here to our bench. Let's prep up this new radio so I can show y'all how to put that dash and stuff together. So now we are over here at the test bench, and we are about to go ahead and mount our dash kit to our radio. If you guys want to see what type of radio I am actually putting in, this is the Pioneer AVH 2550 NEX, and I am going to do a product review on this. I'll probably link that depending on when I actually post the video. Hopefully I do this video before, but either way, we want to get into the dash kit. Now there's three important pieces in the dash kit. This is the 995815. All the links will be in the description as well, but it's going to get a single DIN kit and a double DIN kit. You want to get this part out of that pack and use it for this. So as you can see, the left piece, it kind of goes in. Well, let me just show you how it is on the right. So you have this, you got these two holes, and then you have these two male ends, what we're going to call them. They're going to go inside of these holes, and then this is all just going to snap together. So what you want to do is you want to come in at an angle. That way the back piece right here that you see my finger on, that can go behind there, and then this male piece slides in like so. Then you just want to bring it back, and it literally snaps into place. Now you want to take your radio, we're just going to lift it straight up, and then we're going to slide this over the top of the radio. And then now we take those deck screws that came with the radio and put two on each side, and then we're going to cut these tabs off. And I'm not using anything special, just a pair of Kleins, but let me go ahead and get those cut off and put in. Also, as you can see, man, I got all the things cut off that we need to. I got two screws on the left, two screws on the right. Let's go ahead and get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. So we're here and back inside the car, and if you're the first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't you go over the wiring? Well, here at this channel, you know, we like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point. And if I go over the speaker wire colors and all that each and every video, then that will add an extra 5 to 10 minutes per video, and then it won't be as efficient as possible. Well, what I have done is I have made one video showing you how to wire up a radio. I go over the wire colors, different types of connections, and all that type of stuff. That link is in the description. That card is in the corner, and that way, for the person who knows how to wire up a radio, you get exactly what you need and how to take this radio out and put one in and work the dash kit. And for those who don't know, you do have a secondary resource. If you're part of our Patreon community, I do put behind the scenes footage in there, and we will be doing some car audio giveaways once we reach certain goals. So let's go ahead and get this put back in here, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. I hope you found some type of value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. The product links are in the description, and the Patreon links are in the description. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.